In this video, we will show you how to set the parameters which define the controller set point. In this example, we will consider a dry cooler. The image on the left shows the control logic. The fan speed depends on the water outlet temperature measured. T1 is the desired set point, while T2 and Tmax define the regulation bandwidth. These temperature values have some constraints. Tmax must be higher than T2 and T2 must be higher than T1. The controller display is normally off. This choice extends the operating life and avoids wasting energy. Press any key to turn on the display. Press Enter and down arrow keys at the same time to enter the setpoint menu. Press Enter to access the parameters value selection menu. Use the up and down arrows to navigate the three available parameters. Press Enter to change the current value. Use the up and down arrow keys to increase or decrease the assigned value. Let's go with 42 degrees. Press Enter to confirm. Let's go back to T2 now. We could increase it up to Tmax. Press Enter to modify the current value. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the desired value. In this case, it will be 32 degrees. Press Enter to confirm. Now the last one. Press Enter to change T1 to our desired setpoint value. Again, use the up and down arrow keys to select the desired value. Press Enter to confirm and we are done. Once all your changes are made and confirmed, press Escape to return to the home screen.